Hello everyone and welcome to Cosec and Energy. My name is Uchenna Benjamin. I am a web developer, app developer, freelancer, and a technology instructor. This channel was created with one mission to make technology education accessible to anyone who is willing to learn and become a web developer. Many people have dreamed of becoming a web developer, software engineer, or tech professionals, but they often believe that they need an expensive laptop before they can start learning. But that's simply not true. In this course, I will teach you how to learn and become a web developer only with your Android phone. No laptop needed, no desktop, just your smartphone and the willingness to learn. We will use mobile code editor called SPCK editor to write real HTML, CSS, and JavaScript directly using your Android phone. By the end of this course, you'll be able to build professional websites from scratch, understand how the web works, and develop the skill to continue your journey into web and app development. Whether you're a student, a worker, or a business person, or somehow looking to develop a new skill, this course is designed for you. If you're ready to start your app development journey using only your Android phone, subscribe the channel, turn on the notification bell, and let's begin. Today, we will set up everything we need to begin our web development journey. No desktop, no laptop, no expensive software needed. SPCK Editor is a mobile application that allows us to write web development code directly on our Android phone. You can write your HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, which are the three technologies used to build a website. This application is a mini Visual Studio Code that runs on your Android phone. Go to your Play Store, search for SPCK Editor, tap Install, wait for the installation to be completed, open the application. I have opened SPCK interface on my phone. The next thing I'm going to do is to create a project folder. Just follow me carefully. As you keep on working with this environment, you will understand how the environment works very well. So you come here and click on Create. Under Create, select Empty Project. Then enter a project name. In this course, I will be using class 1 as my project folder name. Minimize. I click OK. I've created my first project folder. To confirm it, you can come back to this menu. You will see it. We are already inside the folder. This is your class 1 folder. So when you tap on it to come to this place, now you can see that the class 1 is currently empty. Nothing is inside the folder. The next thing we're going to create is our first HTML page, which is going to serve as a home page. From these three dots, tap them to open the menu. Click on New File. Select New File. Then name it index.html. Index.html. You must make sure that your extension closes with .html. Okay. When you open class 1 folder now, you will discover we have HTML page inside it. To access the page, just click on the page, hover from the right side. Now, because we created this page as HTML folder, this professional editor have defined the structure of our website. This is the structure of every website. The HTML of every website. This is the structure of every website. Starting from the document type, a head section, the title, and the body section. The title section and the body is currently empty at this moment. You need to pay big attention to understand whatever thing I'm doing here. Let's run this program on our browser to see what we have. If you check here, you will see this play icon button at the top right. Just tap on it to view what you have. Click on it. This is a blank page without any information. So to close back the windows, tap the three buttons, scroll up and see exit. Exit. Come back to your code editor environment. First thing we're going to do is to add title to this page. Come to title. Let's call this one lesson 1. If you run this program again from this play button, you discover nothing much change, but the title of the page has changed to lesson 1. This is the title section of our document. So in this course, we'll be coming back to the preview and going back to our talking about our code editor. Tap this buttons again to return back to your coding environment. Now let's go to the body. If you watch carefully, you will discover that the head section started from here, head section, and ended this line at line 8. You will see it's from line 4 and ends at line 8. While the body, I am the one that moved the body down. Now, for now, we have our body starting from line 10 to end at line 15. All these numbers represent the current line you're writing your code. Now, the body section is currently empty. The first thing I'm going to do is to write our first element. Come inside the body and type H1. H1. In HTML headings, we have H1 to all the way to H6. So for this course, let's start from H1 first so you understand how they work. I select H1, then I type H1 element. I run the browser again to see what we have on the page. Wow, this is welcome to my first website. Now let's go back to the page. Yes, at this point, I would like you to pause this video and write exactly what you are seeing on your screen. I have the H1 to H6 elements. From H1 to H6 elements, type it exactly the way I type it, or you can also change the text inside, but make sure you have the headings as I structure them. Then let's run the browser to see the output. I click on play. So you can see the displays of the headings. You can see the first one coming from H1, second one from H2, H3, all the way to H6. The next element we're going to talk about now is going to be the P element for writing paragraphs. As you can see, I have on my page, this is my first page paragraph inside the P tag. To view it on the browser, I also run the browser. You can see it how it appears here. This is a paragraph element. I will introduce you to all the elements one after the other. Then we can now join them to create something amazing. I will be doing some copy and paste to make things more easier to save time. You can always pause the video to code exactly what I have. Here I have the H element which I have put there. Welcome to my website. Then paragraph. My name is Benjamin. I am teaching web development using my Android phone. Then I have other paragraph element. Subscribe to this channel and turn on notifications to enjoy more amazing lessons. The paragraph ends here, and I have another element, H4 element. Thanks for your support. Then let's run this on the browser to see what we have. I click my browser. Wow, you can see it. So if you have made it to this point, I say a very big congratulations to you. In the next lesson, we'll be dealing more on other structures of the website. In order not to miss anything from this channel, always turn on your notification button so that you don't miss out on any lesson. See you in lesson 2.